Your home should be a place where you feel safe, comfortable, and at ease every day. In Rochester Hills, homeowners are increasingly turning to professional residential services to maintain and improve their living spaces. From roofing and windows to remodeling and general maintenance, these services play a key role in protecting your home while enhancing overall comfort and functionality. One of the most important ways residential services improve your home is by enhancing safety. Over time, different parts of your home can wear down or become damaged. Roofing issues, faulty doors, outdated windows, or structural concerns can all pose risks if left unaddressed. Professional residential services help identify these problems early and provide reliable solutions. For example, repairing a damaged roof can prevent leaks and structural damage, while upgrading doors and windows can improve security and reduce the risk of break-ins. Another major benefit is improved indoor comfort. Homes in Rochester Hills experience a wide range of weather conditions, from cold winters to warm summers. Residential services such as window replacement, insulation upgrades, and door installations help regulate indoor temperatures. By reducing drafts and improving energy efficiency, these upgrades create a more consistent and comfortable environment throughout the year. Energy efficiency is closely tied to comfort. Many residential services focus on reducing energy loss, which helps lower utility bills while maintaining a pleasant indoor climate. Modern windows, well-sealed doors, and properly installed insulation all work together to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. This not only improves comfort but also reduces the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Residential services also contribute to better air quality. Poorly maintained homes can allow dust, allergens, and moisture to accumulate, leading to unhealthy indoor conditions. Services such as ventilation improvements, window upgrades, and proper sealing help reduce the entry of pollutants and maintain a cleaner indoor environment. This is especially important for families with allergies or respiratory concerns. Another way these services enhance comfort is through noise reduction. Upgrading windows, doors, and insulation can help block outside noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing living space. Whether you live near a busy street or simply want a more peaceful home, these improvements can make a noticeable difference in your daily life. Security is another key area where residential services make an impact. Modern upgrades such as reinforced doors, advanced locking systems, and impact-resistant windows provide added protection for your home and family. These features not only deter potential intruders but also give homeowners peace of mind, knowing their property is secure. In addition to safety and comfort, residential services help maintain the overall condition and value of your home. Regular maintenance and timely upgrades prevent small issues from turning into costly repairs. A well-maintained home not only functions better but also looks more appealing, which can be beneficial if you ever decide to sell. Convenience is another advantage. Professional residential services handle everything from inspections to installations, saving you time and effort. Instead of dealing with multiple issues on your own, you can rely on experienced professionals to ensure that every part of your home is in top condition. This allows you to focus on enjoying your space rather than worrying about maintenance. Customization is also a key benefit. Residential services can be tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're updating a single room or making larger improvements, you can choose solutions that fit your lifestyle and design goals. This flexibility ensures that your home not only performs well but also reflects your personal style. Another important factor is long-term reliability. High-quality residential services use durable materials and proper installation techniques to ensure lasting results. This means fewer repairs and a more dependable home over time. Investing in professional services now can save you from unexpected issues in the future. Finally, residential services help create a more enjoyable living environment. When your home is safe, comfortable, and well-maintained, it becomes a place where you truly want to spend time. Whether you're relaxing with family, entertaining guests, or simply going about your daily routine, these improvements make a meaningful difference. In the end, residential services in Rochester Hills go beyond basic maintenance. They enhance the way you live. By improving safety, comfort, energy efficiency, and overall home performance, these services help create a space that supports your needs every day.